This is bad, folks. Very bad. Well, I'm walking across the path here, and it's looking like it is maybe half a mile wide at this point, and it's very bad. I don't know if you can see this, but here's a truck that is just completely wrapped around a tree. There's a tree. The truck is folded over like a spoon. Well, a tornado just hit a few minutes ago. I was very close by, so I came on in. You can see this is very, very tragic. We've got a very, very bad situation here. I'm just seeing people walking around.
Pull it out this way. Pull it out this way. Right here. We'll take it. What's the name? All right, we got it. Come this way. Pass it back if you want. Watch out.
I'm trying to stay back so I don't get in the way of the rescue, but apparently they're hearing some voices from underneath. They're hoping, they're hearing some cries from underneath there. They're hoping they can find someone. This is just horrific. Every one of these piles here could potentially have someone underneath, and I don't know how they're going to get to all of these within a reasonable amount of time. Right now there are a lot of people walking around yelling to see if somebody needs help. So at the moment they're just trying to see if anybody is still under the rubble, if anybody can hear any sounds of people. And so far I've just seen survivors walking around in a daze. I think we may have found someone over here. Hang on. I don't want to record this, but they just found a little girl over there. She's dead. And I think just out of respect, I shouldn't be taping this. I could see her arm and her face protruding from the rubble. And the parents are over here looking. And the police have just gone over there to tell them. Very sad. Well, I hope I have this information wrong, but overheard a policeman saying that so far they have 7 casualties in this neighborhood. Let's pray that that is not a correct figure, and that it's much lower than that. Okay, I'm signing off now. This is very disturbing, and I probably shouldn't be videotaping anymore at this point.